Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to sell on eBay. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that you updated or downloaded the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen and I'm going to go ahead to my browser. And if you want to sell on eBay, you have more than one step. Alright, first you can just go ahead and create your eBay account. Basically, now set up your seller account and then create a listing and optimize your listing. Select a shipping and delivery, connect your eBay to Shopify store, and then promote your listing. All right, so identify your product, right? That's another tip. Choose between auction style and fixed price selling. Set your listing duration, price your item, and set up the shipping options. And then basically you're gonna be able to launch your first product on eBay. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.